Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to normalize your audio levels specifically for YouTube and DaVinci Resolve. So, what do I mean by normalizing audio levels? If you aren't familiar with video editing, one thing that is important is the audio level and how it's normalized. When we say normalized, we mean they are in within a certain range. So the highs or the louder parts and the lows or the softer parts are all within a similar range to one another. That way, you don't have any sudden changes in volume that might disorient the viewer or just have any unintended audio side effects. So, normalizing audio in DaVinci Resolve is really simple. All we're going to do is right click on our video in the timeline, and then you should see an option here called Normalize Audio Levels. So there's a preset for YouTube, and that's why it's really easy. You can also do it manually using sample peak or true peak or one of the other standards here. But I like to use the YouTube preset because it gets the job done very nicely and it really only takes a few clicks. So once I've got that selected, I'm going to go ahead and click on normalize. And as you can see, the waveform of the video has changed. Most of the softer parts got raised up and it kept it under a strict limit. That way it doesn't blow out and harm the viewer's ears. If we listen to how it sounds like before, this is what it sounds like. So to get started, I've opened up YouTube here in my web browser, and this is how it's going to sound after normalizing. So to get started, I've opened up YouTube here in my web browser, and as you can see, it's at a much more comfortable audio level, and that's really important. This is especially noticeable on clips where you have things going on, so maybe some things in the background, and you have multiple audio sources that you're listening to on this particular video. This is going to help out a lot and just make the audio sound a bit better and a bit more professional. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.